Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I make clip-in extensions for my clients. A lot of my clients, they like to switch back and forth between wigs and weaves, and sometimes they want to leave their hair out and they just want some clip-ins. So first I get a bundle of my raw Indian hair. This one is 22 inches raw Indian wavy. So I unravel the weft completely and I make sure the weft is double. Okay, so this is how I'm going to start, with a doubled weft. You can do it singly as well if you don't need a lot of hair added onto each clip-in, but all of my clip-ins come double. That's just the way I do it. So let me just take the weft and I'll give you guys a close-up of how I do this on my sewing machine. It's really simple, really simple, especially if you already know how to use a sewing machine. So I'm just gonna double my wefts on my sewing machine just like that, and I'm gonna do the entire track double, and then I will go in and cut my tracks in the lengths that I need them to be. So stay tuned. Let me give you guys a closer look. Okay, so now that my tracks are doubled here, I am gonna make sure I do a zigzag stitch on my sewing machine, put my track down right in the middle, and I am going to double this entire weft, okay? So if you're doing this by hand, you just need to sew the tracks by hand and double the wefts all the way through to the end, and then cut it the way that you need it. Sewing machine makes it so much faster. All right, so let's go forward and then go back. Alright, so once I get to the very end of the track where the fold is, I'll just cut that in half and continue sewing. Take it, pull it back, and go forward. Just so I can secure it in there and there's no unraveling. And that is it. Cut the ends, and there is your double stitch. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it. There's a double stitch along the whole entire thing. So now I'm going to take this long weft and I'm just going to cut it. Okay, so now you just take your tracks. You can either use this head here, or you can measure it on your client's head how long you need the tracks to be going all the way around. And you can make the shorter ones in the back and the longer ones towards the top and smaller ones if you want to. So I already cut the tracks where I needed to go. And then I am going to sew my clips onto them right now through these little holes that are on the side onto each weft. So I'll let you guys know what that looks like in a second. All right, so I'm gonna just show you really quick how I sew on the comb. There's 2 holes on each side of the comb, and make sure your comb is facing the correct way so your clients can easily put that in. So I take my needle, I put it through the track and inside that first top hole, and then through the bottom hole and through the second track. And I'll just go through it a few times on this side. All right, cut it off, tie it, secure it. All right, that side is done. So that side is done. And now I'm going to take this side and go through these holes. I don't know if you guys can see it. There they go. These holes here. I will open up the clip, go through the top track, pull it through, secure it, and then go through the bottom hole, the bottom hole, and the bottom track. And that is pretty much it. Go through it a few times. You want to make sure it is secure, and then I am going to tie it off. And of course, depending on how many clips and tracks you have will determine how many clips you're going to need. So like this track, let me show you. This specific track is pretty long, so I'm probably gonna put about 4 clips on this track, and I have a bunch of clips over here actually that I'm going to be using. They're the large clips, and so I'll just put a bunch on each so then my client can easily open them, hook it to her hair, and then close them up fairly easily. And that's pretty much it for all of them. So I did custom color these extensions, as you can see. So let me go ahead and finish these, and that is how you're going to make your custom extensions for your clients, okay? That's pretty much it. You can definitely buy them this way, but I feel like my clients get to pick out their raw bundles, and I can just make them custom to fit their head, and that's pretty much it. All right, you guys, so these are my clip-in extensions. I sewed the clip on to the track. I have different lengths, and she wanted them custom colored. I have them all here to match her hair. Let me close these clips. And I did 2 bundles of clip-in extensions on this raw Indian wavy hair. Her hair is like a really loose, wavy, loose curly, but she normally flat irons it. So this is what they look like. I am in love with them. So if anybody wants to get some custom clip-in extensions made, or if you just wanted to know how to make your own on the sewing machine, this was definitely the video for you. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this. Bye.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing audio. One more test. 1, 2, 3. One more test. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, is it on video? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hi, this is Brittany.
All right, so this, I'm about to beat you.